Hi, welcome to Reform Tech channel. In this video, I want to talk about the AWS OpsWorks. Alright, so I'm not going in depth of this AWS OpsWorks and I'm not going to show you a hands-on on it because this is more related to the DevOps part, and so I don't want to go in depth, but it is a question. Sometimes you get a question in your solution architect associate examination about OpsWorks. So just to understand what it is and how it works, I just want to give a brief. Okay, so OpsWorks, it is a configuration management service that will provide a managed instance of Chef and Puppet. So it is recommended, like if you want to manage your infrastructure with a configuration management system, then we recommend to go with the AWS OpsWorks. So although OpsWorks is deployment management service that will help you to deploy applications, but it is not primarily meant to manage a scaling of applications out of the box, right? So we cannot do any scaling of applications and as such things, right? So let me give you a brief about the configuration management service also, so that you'll have a little more idea on what does an OpsWorks does. Okay, so Chef and Puppet are called as a configuration management service. So what this tool does is that, see, if you have one software and if you want to install that software in one system, yes, that is easy. Quickly you can go get into the system and you can do it, right? So if you have two softwares and you have 10 systems, yes, that is also possible. You go do it manually, right? Done. And if you have 10 softwares now and you have almost like 10,000 systems, okay, and if you want to install these 10 softwares in the 10,000 systems, then it is a hectic process. There will be a tedious process for you, and also though it takes much time, you might also end up with some errors also while installing the software. So that will be really really a bad idea of going and installing it manually. So here comes the configuration management, so wherein it takes an advantage that if you have this configuration script with that Chef or Puppet, it will be able to install all the 10 softwares in that 10,000 systems simultaneously. Okay, parallelly it will install. So that is the power of OpsWorks. Okay, so this is called as a configuration management tool. While I say installation, it not only considers the installation. You have many activities, like you can start all those 10,000 instances, stop them, or you can change the configuration file, you can update the configuration file. So you can do lot many things with the configuration management tool. Okay, so so I don't want to go in depth, but this is what a configuration management service does. And yeah, OpsWorks is also a server configuration management service. Alright, yeah, so thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.